Hey everyone, welcome to today's Java quick tutorial. I am your instructor, and in this video, we're going to learn how to write a simple Java program to check if a number is prime. Let's jump in. So, what is a prime number? A prime number is any number greater than one that is only divisible by 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, and 7. These are all prime numbers. Let's look at how to implement this logic using Java. First, we import the scanner class to take user input. Then we ask the user to enter a number. We check if the number is less than or equal to 1. In that case, it's not a prime number. Otherwise, we loop from 2 to the square root of the number. If the number is divisible by any of those, then it is not a prime number. If none of those conditions match, the number is prime. That's it. You've just written your first Java program to check for prime numbers. Try different numbers like 7, 9, or 13 to see how it behaves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and